What if I ask you, what is the most important factor for increasing the number of views on a YouTube video? What would your answer be? Perhaps you would say a clickable title and a thumbnail to get a high click-through rate and engaging editing for high viewer retention. Well, these things do matter, but there's something even more important than these factors, and that is the idea of the video. It doesn't matter how good the video thumbnail, editing, or voiceover is, you are not going to get any views if the video idea is boring. On the other side, videos with ordinary thumbnails, beginner-level editing, and average audio quality go viral on YouTube every day. Why? Because of a great video idea. But the problem is, finding good video ideas is not an easy task. Good ideas pop up in your head once or twice, but not always. So, what to do? So in this video, I will share with you my top 4 favorite methods that will help you to create unlimited viral video ideas. Method number 1 and method number 4 are my favorites. So let's start with method number 1. Stealing ideas. Don't get me wrong, but this is actually one of the most popular ways to find amazing video ideas. Basically, what you need to do is go to YouTube and find some random videos that are either viral or you have recently watched, or just watch videos of one of your favorite creators. Now all you have to do is take inspiration from these videos. Get inspiration from their format and create your own ideas. For example, while scrolling on YouTube, I came across this video asking millionaires how they got rich. Now this is a very simple topic but very effective. So I can take inspiration from this topic and make a video for my channel, like asking big YouTubers how they got 1 million subscribers, or best YouTube advice from big YouTubers. And there you have it. We have 2 video ideas that came right away. Initially, you don't need to worry and think if the video is easy to make or not. Simply continue to write ideas. Later on, you might get 2-3 more ideas related to that first one, which you might like even more. Another example is from Clark Kegley. 5 things I wish I knew at 20. This is also a great video idea. I can draw ideas from this to make a video for my channel that looks like 5 things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel. Similarly, Ali Abdal's video, How I Manage My Time, can inspire me to create a video like How to Manage Your Time as a YouTuber, considering that most of the YouTubers find it challenging to manage YouTube along with their day-to-day activities. There is a good probability that I can receive a lot of views if I make such a video. This video of In 59 Seconds, The 3 Secrets of Success, can inspire me to create the 3 secrets to be a successful YouTuber. Pretty simple. These are merely a few of the examples that I have used, and I'm sure that some of the video ideas might also have clicked in your mind as well along with me. Let's take one more example. 5 common mistakes beginner riders make. This is a popular video format that may be used in a variety of video niches, including 5 mistakes new YouTubers make, 5 mistakes to avoid in football, 5 mistakes to avoid in GTA 5, 5 mistakes every investor makes, and so on. It is not always necessary to simply look for inspiration. You can look for videos on other channels in your niche where you can provide additional information or improvise in your own style. This way, you will have even more ideas. The second method is YouTube search. Let's use gaming channel as an example because they get a lot of feedback. If you have a GTA 5 gaming channel, you can go to YouTube search and type GTA 5. If you have a popular topic in your mind related to the game for which you want to create a video, you can search for that specific topic. If not, just type a random letter, let's say C, and just have a look at the suggestions that show up, such as GTA cars, GTA 5 codes, GTA 5 car modes, and so on. These are very broad topics that people are searching for, so we need to narrow it down further. Let's say I select GTA 5 car modes. As you can see, YouTube gave me more related suggestions like GTA 5 car modes install, GTA 5 car modes PC, GTA 5 car modes not working, and more. All these suggestions can be added to your video idea list. This method is very useful because we are focusing on topics with high search volume and comparatively lower competition. You can do the same for any niche. For example, if you have a cooking channel, you can search for seaweed salad, and you will get all the related topics people are searching for. Let's add with after that to find even more video ideas from related suggestions. You can also make a video on these topics. This method works best for every niche and you can easily create countless ideas without any problem. But if this strategy doesn't work for you, you can definitely try method number 3, YouTube comments. The comment section on YouTube is one of the best places to know what people want to see or don't want to see. It's a simple way to know what viewers are interested in, and if you make a video on those topics, you will definitely get a lot of views. If your channel has a decent audience, you can check your video comments for suggestions. If not, you can look through the comments on larger channels in your niche. You will often find viewers requesting videos on specific topics that the channel's creator has not covered yet. So keep exploring the comment section to keep getting ideas for viral videos. If this strategy doesn't work for your niche, you can try method number 4, creating an audience profile. For this, take a pen and paper and create a list where you note down information about your target audience. Write down what excites them, the problems they face, their dreams, goals, fears, and the questions they have. You will have a lot of ideas for your videos once you gather this information. For instance, my target audience for this video you are watching right now is every struggling YouTuber. Every new content creator, including myself, will get excited about growing quickly on YouTube. So making a video about going viral on YouTube will excite my viewers and hopefully get me more views. The topic has the potential as it addresses their excitement. Similarly, when you create a list of fears your audience has and you make a video that targets those fears directly, for example, fear of a channel dying out, fear of choosing the wrong settings, fear of running out of video ideas, or even the fear of starting a YouTube channel. As you can see how easily you can create video ideas from these points. In fact, these videos are more likely to go viral because they specifically address a fundamental human emotion. These are the methods I use to brainstorm ideas. But your thinking process might be different, so go ahead and explore. Now that I have revealed all 4 methods with you, I would love to know which one is your favorite. Also, if you have a great video idea and want me to make a video on it, do let me know in the comments. So that's it for today's video, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.